Listen to the conversations on. Remember to use the language strategies described on page 61.
Question 1 refers to the following conversation.
Our offices are cleaned on Monday and Wednesday.
Do you think they should be cleaned on Friday too?
I think twice a week is enough.
2 times is hardly enough. Number 1. How often are the offices cleaned? Question 2 refers to the following conversation.
Is the coffee machine working yet?
Yes, it took all morning to fix it.
I'm sure it will be broken again before too long.
Well, enjoy your coffee while you can.
Number 2. How long did it take to fix the coffee machine?